Hi, I'm Dr. Lord-Tomas.
And I'm Dr. Scott Brick.
And we are U-First Health, Desarda Hernia Center, USA. I want to introduce Dr. Scott Brick here, who has been with us for over 6 months, and we are the largest non-mesh exclusive no-mesh hernia center in the U.S.
And I recently joined from Missouri, enjoying the opportunity to do a mesh-free hernia repair as opposed to the old traditional mesh. It seems the outcomes are much better, complications are less, and people are quicker to return to work.
Hi, today I chose U-First to have my inguinal hernia repaired. Today is actually my procedure day. I'm very excited. I'm looking forward to a successful result. The reason I chose U-First is I heard a lot of complications having mesh, and I didn't want to have any complications, so I thought that having a no-mesh procedure would be the best option for me.
I just had my inguinal hernia repaired by Dr. Thomas yesterday. I'm all set today. I'm walking around. There's no pain. There's no mesh in the body. And it's a very, very good system, a way to get your hernia repaired.
Thank you for spending some time with us here at U-First Health. We hope to hear from you soon.
Yes, call us. Our call center is standing by at 239-266-2925, or you can visit us on ufirst health.com.